Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining why the word must exist and who will use it. Once done, choose 2-3 morphemes that carry the core meaning and combine them into simple forms. You should favor ease of pronunciation and visual clarity. Try 3 short candidates and say them aloud. Make sure to check for accidental meanings in other languages. You'll move faster if you jot each candidate and 1-sentence backstory explaining the concept and intended register. You now focus on sharpening meaning and form. Start by writing a concise dictionary-style definition and 1 example sentence showing typical use. Next, test morphological fit. Does it take plural, comparative, or verb forms? Experiment with syllable stress and shorten or lengthen until natural. Once done, present the best candidate to 3-5 peers from your audience, collect specific feedback about clarity and pronunciation, and iteratively adjust spelling or stress patterns to avoid ambiguity. You finish by planting the word into real contexts. Write 1 short paragraph and a social post using the word naturally, then share it with your target group. Simultaneously, document pronunciation, definition, inflections, and a brief etymology so others can reproduce it consistently. Once live, monitor adoption and be ready to standardize spelling or stress. If the word misleads or over 30% mispronounce it, change spelling slightly and relaunch with a clear pronunciation guide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.